Mr. Collins? I'm here. Pulse, got it. He's breathing shallow. Oxygen coming on. Someone bring the crash cart just...
Hey, easy! Help! Get back! Ah! Help! Help! Ah! Max! Max, get over here!
Oh no! Out of the way! Hang on! Good job, buddy. Good job. Hang on. Got it! Out, out, out. Okay.
Hey, what's gotten into you? All right, I'm coming. Oh!
Tito, out of the way! Go! Go!
It scratched it.
Hey! Hey! What happened? You okay? The bear! It came in! I got you. It's gone. Let's go. Come on.
Mama, I'm here. Don't move, okay? I'm calling the ambulance.